Hello, welcome to the Aginity Pro March 2021 update demo. I'm Chris Crompton, Senior Product Marketing Manager here at Aginity. In this brief video, I'm going to show off some of the updates included in version 34, which is available for both macOS and Windows. This includes deeper integration with Amazon Redshift, cross-database autocomplete, and some just right UI enhancements, which is where I'm going to begin. Well, we've designed the Aginity interface to get out of the way. Our priority focused code editor window takes center stage so you can be productive, surfacing powerful functionality just when you need it, whether through our quick access command palette or through editable keyboard shortcuts, which are available for just about any action. Well, we're pretty cautious and thoughtful before making any changes which could distract your flow. That said, when you install the latest Aginity Pro release, you'll likely get a warm feeling inside as you notice some minor graphical updates along the edges. We've made the core functionality of our app easier to visually locate by adding some color and some arrow indicators to show the current opened or closed state of our expandable areas and some relevant icons. You see, here's the different areas. Before they just had the name in black to not get in the way. So catalog files, the job monitor, and the discovery tab over here. For example, as you can see, our discovery assistant now sports a magnifying glass icon, which makes it immediately apparent that this is where you go to uncover the SQL code for reuse. We've also added new tooltips to the connection screen to provide help right where you need it. Add a new connection, let's add Redshift, and these little I tells you exactly what you need to provide the help, and you can go through to our full documentation with a click to this link at the top now. Speaking of connections, this release extends our deep integration with Amazon Redshift even more, with updates to authentication, data insert, and cross-database querying. First, since I've got the screen open, I want to mention our additional authentication method for Amazon Redshift, which is Azure Active Directory Federated Authorization. Here's all the different providers, and the Federated is right here. We're going to continue building additional authentication methods our users crucially need. If there's something your organization uses that's missing, just let us know. On the topic of Amazon Redshift, our data insert wizard is now available for the platform. This makes 5 database platforms which can now utilize our template-driven file-to-native SQL capabilities. That's DB2, Hive, Netezza, Postgres, and now Amazon Redshift. See our last update video for a demo on this powerful data insert capability. Keep in mind that this capability is in addition to our existing bulk load integration, which is available for both Amazon Redshift and Snowflake. The difference here is that bulk load doesn't impose any max row limitation, but it does require that your data pass through an intermediate authenticated connection to S3 or Azure Blob Storage. Our data insert wizard, on the other hand, streamlines the process with direct data insert for up to 50,000 rows at a time. One final release update also affects Amazon Redshift. That's cross-database autocomplete. Amazon announced their support for cross-database queries in Amazon Redshift late last year, and our type-ahead autocomplete is now able to peer beyond the database and schema defined in the current query connection. Once Aginity indexes your databases, which is accomplished simply by expanding the database connection, then cross-database autocomplete becomes available for database, schema, and object paths. So as long as you reference based on the schema first, you get autocomplete. There it is. And there's an additional Amazon Redshift integration which deserves a mention here. Amazon just announced the general availability of their data sharing capabilities, which allows you to securely share live data across clusters without the need to copy or move the data itself. Aginity has supported this capability since Amazon Redshift's preview release of data sharing last year. And you can actually find the notes related to that in our resource center, clicking the bottom left-hand corner, and it's in latest and greatest, and Redshift data sharing release notes, which was added last year. And with our deep integration, Aginity users can explore their Redshift data shares as first-class entities in the database object tree. Well, these integrations freshly showcase how Aginity truly empowers collaborative analytics within your enterprise SQL community. In closing, I'd like to mention that our March 2021 release also includes over 15 bug fixes and application performance improvements. See our release notes for additional information. Until next time, query on.